Hey, my YouTube family, welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you a shepherd's pie. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. The ingredients are listed for you on the left. Okay, I have a pack of regular ground beef, and I also have a pack of chopped ground roast. Okay, the packages have already been rinsed. Let's begin. Right now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil into the frying pan. I know the beef already have oil in it, so I'm just going to give them a little head start. Tearing it off and adding it to the pan. 1 is regular ground beef and 1 is ground chuck. I decided to mix the two together to just get the flavor. 1 has the fat and 1 is just pure meat. Alright. Now I'm just taking this spoon and just cutting it up in the pan because it isn't 100% thawed. It's still somewhat icy. So, like that piece there, still has a bit of ice. So the spoon is just going to help me cut it up. And once that's already done, I can just turn it over and allow it to cook on the other side. Just like that. It's changing color, so it's cooking. And of course, the stove is on medium. Once all of it has turned that brownish grayish color, then that means it is ready for the seasoning and other herbs. Okay. Like I said in the other videos, I am bringing the restaurant home. So we are having shepherd's pie today. Bringing it home. This is a favorite in this house. Shepherd's pie. It's nice and healthy. Try some today. Let that go for about a minute or so while I work on the potatoes. I have some nice baking potatoes, but I'm making mashed potatoes with these. Not all of them now. It's going to be too much. So I left a couple of them in the bag. Can probably bake them another day. So I just need to get the skins off, cut them up, and allow them to get softened. I'll peel this one on camera and the others will be off camera. These are great baking potatoes. Nice and long. Alright. I love shepherd's pie. Alright. Now I'm just going to drain that fat off. See if I can get some of that out. I don't want that in my pie. Oh, there you have it. I'm getting it. That's too much. And that's from the beef. Okay, I got most of it out. Now I'm just gonna squeeze this half of this lime over the meat, over the beef. Alright. Just like so. Now this is the way I do it. Some persons add lime and some don't, but I just like to season my meat. That's the time. Cooking time. Just about a teaspoon of that, pulling off the leaves. Now on this board I have some onions, celery, bell pepper and garlic. Give that a good mixing. Still some big pieces in it, so okay, this should do it. All right, just like that. Turning and chopping. Now the seasoning. I've added the tomato paste, some browning, and I mixed a little bit of cornstarch in a little bit of water just to help with the thickening. Okay. Still trying to get the chunks of meat smaller. Chopping and pushing and pressing. Oh my word. This is what I'm talking about. Shepherd's pie. Now you can season it to taste. Garlic salt and red pepper flakes. Now these are the potatoes. I've already cut them up and now they are boiling. Trying to get them soft. Cover them down until they are soft. Now you don't want to overly season the meat because the potatoes have to be seasoned. The potatoes have to be seasoned as well. So not too heavy on the seasonings now. Get these mashed up and ready for the pie. This is going to be the topping. Now with this mashed potato, you don't want it too loose. You want it somewhat on the stiff side, firm. So now that depends on how much milk or evaporated milk or fresh milk you add to it. But I'm using the evaporated milk. And just some, I can't believe it's not butter. So I'm just gonna get these potatoes together to make sure there's no lump. Now I can't believe it's not butter. Get that mix up. Thank you, Rafaela. Little hand is there watching as I cook. That's what I did when I was small. Now I'm adding the milk, evaporated milk. Now you can use this or you can use the milk out of the refrigerator, whichever one you want to use. You don't want this too soft, somewhat on the firm side. You can add whatever you want into your mashed potatoes. However way you make your mashed potatoes, just make it like that for this. You can add cream cheese, you can whatever. Garlic, whatever you want to add in it, make it yours. Skin on or skins off, whatever you want to do. Make this dish your own. Okay, you can also add cheese into it if you wish. It's up to you. Whatever you like. Now I'm going to season the potatoes, with a little bit of garlic salt. If you don't want garlic salt, you can use the regular table salt. It's up to you. Oh, and I apologize for the air conditioning coming on. All right. Now I'm adding the beef to the pan. This is regular ground beef and chuck roast. Ground chuck. That's about 6 pounds in total. Like I said, I just love to mix them together. I don't like the regular ground beef by itself because it's too fatty. And the chuck by itself is too lean. It doesn't have any fat. So I add them together and just drain it off. Now I'm just spreading it out evenly. And then I'm going to add the mixed vegetables and the entire package of veggies all over this. This is quick and easy for your family. Your kids would love it. My hubby loves this. Okay, all over this beef now. Sprinkle it all over. So this is a complete meal in one. You have the meat, you have the veggies, and you have the starch. Carbohydrates. Great. Nice and healthy. I'm going to show you how I make the one with lobster. And also there's one with conch. So stay tuned, it's coming. I'm just adding the mashed potatoes right over this. This is the topping. Now you can put as much as you want or whatever. I don't like it too thick and I don't want it too thin. This mashed potato is somewhat stiff, so you don't need it too thick. This is how I make my shepherd's pie. This is a complete meal. Everything in one dish. Oh my word. Just spread it out nicely. There you have it. It's ready to eat now. Now I'm just garnishing it with some parsley. Dried parsley flakes. All right. Then I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. Now I know everyone normally use cheddar or American, whatever type of cheese you like, but I like it with the Parmesan. And furthermore, we're in lockdown, so this is what I'm using today. Try it, you will like this. You will love it. Parmesan on shepherd's pie. Now it's time to go into the oven. So this is going to be in here for about 15 to 20 minutes. There you have it. Started to brown a little bit. Super, smells great. And you have it. It's been served with a tossed salad. And I appreciate you for watching this video all the way to the end. Feel free to give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.